Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. We're starting on the SPY chart today. Very strong pre-market, and then we hit the high of the day right off the open. It was looking like it was going to be a very good day, breaking into this new level at 42.46. But we fell back sharply on basically the first candle of the day, and it was looking pretty scary for a little while. We fell all the way down below the 420 area before bouncing, and we ended up chopping around for most of the rest of the day, having a decent little recovery, into what was Friday's close, and then selling off again in the afternoon. Not a terrible day, honestly, fairly flat. But after the super strong pre-market, it was a little disappointing to see this pullback here. And the NASDAQ, I think, was even worse because they had a similar pullback, but they didn't get quite as high pre-market. Still bullish, still up, still hit the high of the day off essentially the first, or I guess here the second candle at 335.79, looking like a great day. And then boom, we fell right through Friday's closing price, through the support at 333.75, and ended up chopping around all day. It was looking very scary though at the open there, just really falling sharply. Ended up eventually working back to the 333.75 level, getting rejected around 3 o'clock this afternoon, and closing down just 1 point on the day. So red days for both indexes, and Tesla was red as well. But I think, given what kind of day it was, Tesla was fairly resilient, honestly. Reflecting the strength of the indexes pre-market, Tesla was strong as well. And then off the open, again, pulling back and chopping around. But, whereas the SPY and the QQQ both fell down and below, or at least resting on their support levels, Tesla never even came all the way down to the 619, which is our closest support. Never even tested it, stayed well above. We're making new lows compared to Friday, but I think the word for me is resilient. We held up pretty well on what was essentially a pop and drop kind of a day, where recently in the past, on days like this for the SPY and the NASDAQ, Tesla has really fallen down and given up, previous days' gains, that kind of a thing. Maybe a day like this one here, or not even quite as good. But anyway, it was resilient to me. So the big factor anyway is just staying above the 619 support. That's the level that we're at right now, and we didn't even come down to test it again. So I'd say bullish in light of what was not a good day on the market, and hopefully we'll see a recovery throughout the rest of this week. But I'm sure you guys have read June, typically not a great month for tech stocks, growth stocks. So we're kind of going to be swimming against the current if seasonal historical sentimentality is at play here, which it appears to be, at least for June 1st. So resilient day one. We'll have to hope that the markets can give us a little bit more to work with tomorrow. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, and remember to comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this sort of a weird opening, pre-market strength, and then followed by the immediate drop. What's your guys' take on the situation with the market today, and what have you heard exactly about how June is seasonally typically not a great month? Comment below, please. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.